Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Windows features and preparing the system. Open PowerShell as administrator now. This is required. Run dism exe/online/enable feature/featurename virtual machine platform /all/norstart and dism exe/online/enable feature/featurename Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux /all/norstart. Once done, reboot. Make sure Windows 10 build is 19041 or later. That supports WSL2. After reboot, install the latest WSL kernel package and then run WSL set default version 2 to prepare for modern distributions. This provides full syscall compatibility, faster I/O, and better container support. Enable BIOS virtualization if features are unavailable. Once the system supports WSL2, pick and install a distro. You can run WSL list online to see options, then WSL install Ubuntu or install from the store. Once installed, run WSL LV to view state. If an existing distro shows version 1, convert it with WSL set version distro name 2. This upgrades kernel behavior and improves file performance. Make sure to set your preferred distro as default with WSL set default, so commands land in the right environment. Finish by launching the distro, creating your Linux user, and updating packages. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. Make sure integration meets your workflow. Access Windows files via the \WSL $share and use WSL shutdown after major changes. If you use Docker or GUI apps, ensure virtual machine platform remains enabled. If something fails, check virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Run WSL status and install any pending WSL kernel updates. Often a quick
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.